Namaste, it's me Ansh Joshi. So basically from my citizenship, I hail from Moinagar, Nepal, but after completing my 10, I just moved to Kathmandu. I used to edit video in KineMaster, and during that time there was no CapCut, and from that my interest grew in video editing as well. And after completing my plus 2, I guess I want to have a career in VFX. So video editing is a stepping stone for VFX, so I guess that's why I'm here. Talking about my experience, the experience seemed very great. The expectation and reality was same. Like I was expecting to learn Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, and I am learning that. And according to Instagram, the ambience of Omega Film Institute was good, and in reality it was great. And the teacher, the staff, the other member of Omega Film Institute are so helpful. And from Omega Film Institute, I'm learning good things. I'm just having quality time here, the quality education, the quality editing. So that's why Omega Film Institute is great to me. I enjoyed every moment at Omega Film Institute, the teaching part from every teacher, and the way I edit the video, the way I spend time editing my video, and the interval movement, the movement with friends, and as well as seniors, juniors. I guess I'm the junior one, but the senior, the time spent with together, that's good. Teachers are way good. Like if I don't know anything, especially talking about teacher Bibul sir, he teaches us everything. Like if I don't know anything, like he's there to support me, he's there to support all of us, and he teaches us very good. And the staff of Omega Film Institute are too great. If Bibul sir is not available, they are there too. They are here for the support. So teaching staff as well as teacher of Omega Film Institute are amazing and great as well. So yes, definitely I feel more confident after learning this course, as I used to do editing in CapCut, but after learning video editing from here, I will be doing at Adobe Premiere Pro and other software. So that's why, and I had gained lot of experience, like 2-month experience. That is good. So I feel way more confident after doing this course. If they have a core interest in video editing as well as animation or VFX, that kind of thing, it is the stepping stone for their career. And Omega Film Institute provide good education, good knowledge about video editing, as well as the ambience is good, the teaching staff are great. So I would recommend them to join here.